Hi there, today I will show you how to add a bank account on Xero or bank accounts. Firstly, you will go to accounting and then bank accounts. This would be the current bank accounts. However, if you want to add your credit card or your petty cash account, you can say add bank account. Add what else bank account feed and say continue. You will then say the bank name, Standard Bank, credit card, and then the currency. And you can add it. If you're dealing with petty cash, you can also add that. You can call it petty cash. And you can say other. And also choose the currency, and then you can add that. And you can finish adding up that accounts. So now when you want to add like a check account or another saving account or your business account, you can go to bank accounts again, and this is actually where you link the bank so that the feeds can come through live. You can say add bank account, and then you search in the respective country where you're at. So I'm in South Africa, and then it will give all the South African bank accounts. I'll say Standard Bank. And so you can also continue without the bank feed, but then you would have to manually import the statement monthly, weekly, or daily, however you do it. But if you continue and you log into your bank account and you actually link it with Xero, then the feeds will automatically load daily. So that's very nice. So continue, and then you would then log into the account and then link it. And you would also choose the date as to when you want the live feeds to start. And if there is data missing before that date, you can then import the transactions that is missing.